The next query is from Shankar from Delhi, and it's on Indigo. Yes, Indigo has been under a lot of pressure. In fact, in the last 6 sessions, if you look at the stock is down nearly 13% on the back of massive cancellations that the company has reported due to pilot shortages. But given this sharp fall in the share prices, Shankar wants to know whether is it a good time to buy this counter from short-term perspective. Lancelot, firstly coming to you on the fundamental view, would you like to buy Indigo at this value, or would you avoid, given the fact that there is a lot of negative news flows coming in for this counter?
I think, apart from the negative news flows, if you look at the earnings over the last 2 quarters, despite growth in revenue, profit has been under severe pressure. Profit growth has been under severe pressure. Even at this current levels, the stock trades at about 38 times its earnings, which is quite expensive. So I would suggest that it's better to stay away from the counter, especially when the valuation is expensive. And you can always wait for a price correction and look at investing when the price multiples are a little lower.
Kunal, what would be that support level for Indigo after this sharp 13% fall that we have seen?
See, Somit, somewhere in the month of March, we saw the first breakout, and that breakout was at around 5,000, and the counter went up to 6,250 kind of levels. From those elevated levels, now the counter has come back to the same level where we saw the breakout. That's at 5,000. I mean, just have to wait for a couple of more days to see whether counter holds this level, 16% down from the high. I think this looks a good level to think of initiating a buy. The condition of buying will be whether it holds this 5,000 mark. So yes, if the counter holds 5,000, it can be a good short-term momentum-based trade, and which is under the chaos. So yes, with the stop of 4950, one can then initiate a buy, but wait for a couple of days to settle, for the price to settle.
Okay, so that's with regards to InterGlobe Aviation that we are looking at. The stock has been under pressure on account of these flight cancellations that we're seeing. But moving on, it's Mohan who's calling to us from Bengaluru. Hi Mohan, how can we help you today?
Good morning. I just want to know, can I buy this SKF shares? This SKF shares has been split into SKF Industrial and SKF. Can I invest both these for long-term perspective?
Any particular reason that you're bullish about this particular stock?
This company has got very good EBITDA margin, and long-term perspective looks to be anything. So I saw ROC and everything looks to be very good. So I just wanted to know whether can I invest on this share.
Okay.
Because it is split into two, SKF India and SKF Industrial it is become now two.
Okay, let me take this across to Lancelot then. Lancelot, your view with SKF India, would you recommend a buy at current levels?
So if you look at the stock, post the demerger, it has a market cap of about 9,100 crores. And based on the demerged portion, this particular SKF India actually has the automotive manufacturing business. And you are seeing reasonable growth in the automotive sector, which will drive the demand for automotive bearings as well.